You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, including from Latin, make sure to stay tuned. The British English and American English pronunciations are similar, as quorum, the minimum number of members of an assembly or society that must be present at any of its meetings. Quorum, stress on the first syllable, quorum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.